Adding space onto your home by closing in your garage? Trying to cool off that hot Florida room? Call Frank's AC regarding our Mitsubishi ductless mini split systems, and we can turn your hot spot into a cool hangout. Hi, this is Tiffany with Frank's Air Conditioning with a helpful tip. We get calls daily from customers stating that their air conditioners are leaking inside their homes. Here's the tip: don't use bleach. This could eat away at your aluminum. However, 1 cup of white vinegar down the drain once a month will keep your drain line flowing smoothly.